अस्सलामुअलैकुम गाइस, वंस अगेन आई एम बैक विद अनदर क्विक ट्यूटोरियल। और आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू क्रिएट अ रीस्टोर पॉइंट एंड व्हाट इज सिस्टम रीस्टोर पॉइंट। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज हाउ टू क्रिएट अ रीस्टोर पॉइंट। So for that you need to click on the Windows icon, and now here you need to type restore point. So just type restore and here you can see create a restore point. Click on it and here you can see further options: configure restore settings, manage disk space and delete restore point. So for the moment we can't create a restore point just because the protection is off, you can see here. Now for creating a restore point, configure restore settings, manage disk space and delete restore point. So click on the configure button and here you can see the disk space maximum usage. You can select the maximum for better protections, and as well you can click on the turn on system protections in restore setting. So just click on the turn on system protections and hit apply. OK, that's it. Now just simply create a restore point and type any name, just hit create. Now the second thing is, what is system restore point and is it important? Yes, is it important? Yes. System restore point is a Microsoft Windows tool designed is protected and repair the computer software. System restore takes a snapshot of the some system files and the Windows registry and save them as restore point. It does not affect your personal data files on the computer. Mostly people were saying do restore point delete files. Although system restore can change all your system files, Windows update and programs, it will not remove, delete or modify any of your personal files like your photos, document, music, videos, email restored on your hard drive. This is to say your personal files will not be affected by system restore point, and it will take up to a couple of minutes to create a restore points. Depend on you how much you are using your system restore point, and as well it's depend on your hard disk drive. Now restore point was created successfully. How you can restore your system? Just you can see system restore. You can undo system change by reverting your computer is to a preview restore point. So just click on the system restore point, and now it's starting another Windows. Restore system files and settings. You can read description and click on the next. Now here is the restore point that you created recently, and if you created more than one, we'll see here. Then click on the next, and when you click on the finished, your system will restart and definitely it will restore. If you have changed your Windows password recently, we recommend that you create a password reset disk. So for the moment that's the important point. If you have created recently a password when you are restoring your system date, so make sure that you remember that password, and if you don't remember, then don't restore your point before doing some extra protections. As well, if you forget your password, you can see the I button video and restore. You can break your computer password as well. I hope this video helpful for you. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. मिलते हैं next video में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.